Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this DocHub guide for 2026, I'll show you how to merge PDF files in DocHub. Whether you're combining reports, contracts, forms, or multiple document pages into a single file, DocHub makes the process simple and convenient. So let's get started. First, sign in to your DocHub account and access your dashboard. Before merging files, make sure all the PDF documents you want to combine have been uploaded to your account. DocHub will import the pages from the selected PDF and add them to your existing document. In many cases, you'll be able to choose where the new pages should appear within the file. After the pages are added, review the document carefully. Verify that all pages imported successfully and that the order matches your intended layout. If necessary, rearrange pages using the page management tools. You can often drag and drop pages into the correct sequence before saving the final document. Once everything looks correct, save the merged PDF. You can then download the combined document, share it with others, or keep it stored in your DocHub account. As a final check, open the completed PDF and scroll through all pages to confirm that the merge process was successful and that no content is missing. And that's how to merge PDF files in DocHub. By combining multiple documents into a single PDF, you can keep files organized, simplify sharing, and make document management much more efficient. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.